In obedience to the biblical injunction to go into the world and multiply, a film editor with the Anambra Broadcasting Service, ABS, Mrs. Ebelechukwu Onunkwo, has taken a heartthrob, Mr. Lawrence Mmuo, to walk down the aisle of St. Anthony's Catholic Church, Enugu, to be joined in holy matrimony. ABS religious correspondent Amaka Onwuzulike now reports.
The wedding ceremony was attended by friends and family of the couple, including the ABS family. Earlier in a homily during the wedding mass, the parish priest, Reverend Father Damian Chibeze, said God instituted the sacrament of holy matrimony as a way for the men to practice and live out the love he has for his church, while wives should honor and respect their husbands as the church honors him. Congratulating the newly wedded couple, the unit head of film editing, Comrade Chibuzo Obidike, who is the treasurer, Nigerian Union of Journalists, Anambra State, said marital union is a thing of joy. Thank God for the couple for finding each other and advise them to tolerate, endure, and have patience with one another in times of challenges and difficulties, putting them through on what the marital journey is all about. The father of the groom, Engineer Joe Mmuo, asked them to make God the pillar of their union, noting that the journey is full of challenges and that only patience, fear of God, and love will enable them navigate through, while the mother of the bride, Mrs. Victoria Onunkwo, and the groom's mother, Mrs. Uchenna Mmuo, said the couple must open up to each other in love as they pray God to bless them with all the good fruits that followed marital life.
Prayers for them is that as God has joined them together as husband and wife, that God will bless them with all the good things of life. He will prosper them, give them long life.
While appreciating God for His grace upon them, Mr. and Mrs. Mmuo said they found each other in love, that God has given them peace, promising to build their family on the fear of God.
And he supports me, he understands me very well. Promise to always respect him.
Exchange of marital rings, signing of the register, cutting of the wedding cake, and other activities climax the wedding ceremony. I am Amaka Onwuzulike for ABS News.